I will make simple compass by using styrofoam material, then needle, then the magnetic, and water. First, we rub the needle to the magnet. Minimal. 30 times. Release it. 30 times. Direction. In the same direction should not be opposite, yes. If we rub it forward. Terus. 230. Forward like this. I just rub it. The more? Getting good, yeah. Then I took styrofoam. I poked the needle like this. Then I take water. And then I put down the needle that had been affixed to a styrofoam. Don't let it. Needle touches water. Then try to take our mobile phone. Yes. We have installed the compass. Yes. Well, look here. If we see magnetize already in the same direction, which is north and south of it, yeah. Like that? So, if we adjust, already in the same direction, it's north and south. Well, like this is the needle. North and south. So, This is an example of a simple compass. Using styrofoam, the needle then the medium is water. Hopefully, this video useful.